Wash your hands. Hello there! Who likes a hot dog? This guy likes a hot dog. That's just what? That's what we're making today. So our supplies will be hot dog buns. Our condiments, you can use yellow, I love my mustard. Yellow mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. You can use ketchup, even relish. Some people put onions. It's up to you. Go wild, have fun. Our other supplies we'll need a fork and a plate. Let's get started. I'm going to take a hot dog, take it out of the package, put it on my plate. I'm going to use my fork. I'm going to put some holes, puncture some holes on the top of my hot dog. Next step, I'm going to the microwave. I'm going to cook this for 30 seconds, and then we have a hot dog. Follow me. All right, our next step, I've got my hot dog, I've got my microwave. I'm going to put my hot dog in the microwave, and then I'm going to hit cook time, 30 seconds, and start. All right, 30 seconds is up. I'm gonna check to make sure my plate's not hot, but if it is, I'd use an oven mitt, but this plate's not hot. Ooh, I got my cooked hot dog. Now it's time to get a hot dog bun and some mustard. Follow me. All right, now it's time for a hot dog bun. I'm gonna open my bun. I'm gonna put my hot dog in my hot dog bun. I love my mustard. I'm gonna add some more yellow mustard. And again, you can use ketchup. You can use all different types of mustard. You can put relish on it, onion. It is up to you. Ooh, doesn't that look good? You know what it's time for? It's time for a hot dog. Put food back in the pantry. Put food back in the fridge. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What did Mr. Tim make? A. Sandwich. B. Hot dog. C. Eggs. The correct answer is hot dog. Where are hot dogs kept? A. Pantry. B. Fridge. C. Freezer. The correct answer is fridge. What did he use to cook the hot dog? A. Microwave. B. Stove. C. Oven. The correct answer is microwave. How long did he cook the hot dog? A. 30 seconds. B. 1 minute. C. 1 minute 30 seconds. The correct answer is 30 seconds. What condiment did Mr. Tim use? A. Ketchup. B. Mustard. C. Chili. The correct answer is mustard.